wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Your girl is not feeling good today, okay? The cramps are winning this round, but I figured, maybe playing in makeup would help. When I was doing the declutter video, I said, would you guys want to see a full face of Danessa Myricks? And you said yes, so that's what we're gonna do today. But this is how you know, period brain. I already started. I mean, the eyeshadow wasn't Danessa Myricks, so I wasn't gonna do that on camera anyway. But I started putting the primer on, and I was like, that defeats the purpose of the video. So you know what? If you guys want to see a full face of Danessa, let's go. So like I said, I already put primer on. This is the Danessa, bear with me in this video, Yummy Skin Universal Primer. So it does come in regular complexion shades, which I still have not tried yet, but I use the universal, like transparent shade as a primer underneath, and baby, it's chef's kiss for me. I am also going to use the actual primer she came out with the Yummy Skin collection. It is the Yummy Skin Glow Serum in Juice Boost. So go ahead, put that on. You gotta push the bonnet back a little bit just to make sure you don't miss your hairline. And then the Yummy Skin Serum Foundation in the shade 22N. Ooh. Okay, and the bad boy that inspired all this, the Danessa Myricks Evolution Powder in the shade Yellow. I cannot tell you if I tried this powder before or not, so I feel like I would have remembered if I did. I just be buying stuff sometimes. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. All right. Yeah, I don't remember trying this. I don't like the sifter. Oh, child. Right, definitely a very fine powder. Okay, I'm gonna use the, what do you call it? It's like a contour or something. I'm gonna use this to contour my face today. I believe it's a darker shade than what I believe. We're going to use it as contour bronzer today. But I just recently tried the Balm blushes. I have the shade Rose and Brunch. and Bellini, and I'm gonna use both of them again in today's video. And yeah, y'all, that is it for my face. Full face, as close as we can get, because I don't remember if she has concealer, if I just didn't buy it. As close of a face as we can get to a full face of Danessa Myricks. As you can see, one of my favorite brands for a reason, because they've given beat. And something about Danessa Myricks just makes you want to bring out the creativity in your makeup, because y'all know eyeshadow certainly has not been my thing lately. I've been, you know, dabbling in it a little bit, but I don't know, you know, I mean, I guess because she is like a working makeup artist, if you follow her on social media, you see the different looks she creates. Same thing with kind of Pat McGrath. But yeah, that is it. I literally, well, everything that I tried on my face except for the powder I remember trying before, and I've done videos reviewing them. Y'all know I stand by them, I like them, all for different reasons, all different uses, all that good stuff. The powder, you know, again, literally got everywhere. I'd have to let this wear throughout the day, see how my face holds up, concealer holds up. Maybe I'll do a check-in later to see how, you know, oil control, any creasing, anything like that. Very fine powder, but I usually like fine powders. It's just also the actual product, like how it's packaged, was annoying to work with. But yeah, that is pretty much it. So I hope you guys like seeing this full face of Danessa Myricks. If you guys want to know a little bit more about her products, let me know any other brand you'd want a full face of. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.